In the Amazon rainforest, the emergence of COVID-19 is having a devastating effect on the guardians of this vital organ of our planet. Deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon has increased by 50% in the last few months due to the lack of governmental regulation, all but ensuring further spread of the virus deeper into indigenous lands. These remote communities are highly vulnerable to disease and are less likely to have access to medical care. They are the protectors of the rivers and forests that are critical to the health of the planet, and therefore our own health. Please, join me in supporting the Amazon Emergency Fund and the moratorium on deforestation.